Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sanchita. I create videos on books. Today I have Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne. This book was published in 1864. As the name indicates, it's a combination of science fiction and travelogue. The central characters are Axel and his uncle, Professor Otto Lidenbrock. The story is written in the form of first-person narration by Axel. His uncle, Professor Lidenbrock, is an eccentric person but a dedicated scientist. He loves his nephew. One day he gets hold of a very old book inside which there is a parchment. This parchment was written by an explorer who existed more than 2 centuries ago. This parchment contains the route to the center of the earth through a volcano in Iceland. The professor becomes very curious and immediately decides to embark on a journey to confirm the route. Initially, Axel is hesitant, but the professor manages to convince him, and so Axel follows him in the trip. The author manages a nice balance between mystery and adventure. Both the uncle and nephew face a lot of life-threatening situations and embark on a journey where they discover many beautiful things. Will they be able to reach the center of the earth? Will they be able to return alive to tell people about it? You can only find out by reading this book. There are so many mysteries in the world. It is only because of the indomitable spirit of the scientists and explorers that many have been resolved, and there are scientific explanations for a lot of things. But this was not an easy task. They faced a number of failures and criticism. In spite of all this, they remained focused to their goals. Don't we face similar situations in our day-to-day lives? We do get a lot of questions when we take up a different profession or join that dance class. Professor Lidenbrock also faced a lot of resistance from his nephew, but he patiently answered all his questions and managed to convince him. We too should remain focused on our goals and keep working hard. Soon the world will realize our efforts and respect us. What do you think? Let me know in comments. This is the third book by Jules Verne that I am reading. The other two being Around the World in 80 Days and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Let me know in comments if you are aware of any other book by this author. All the characters have been nicely described in this book. There has been detailed description of the entire journey. However, a lot of discussion has been focused on minerals and geology. This tends to divert the attention of the reader from the story. Therefore, I would recommend reading this book if you are above 16, because by then you might be knowing about the Big Bang Theory and a lot of things about chemicals and minerals. This is a classic which makes it a great gift. Read it if you are on a long journey or a lazy evening. In short, if you have a lot of time. If you enjoy reading scientific fiction, then this is the book for you. So the next time you see it on the shelf, you can definitely add it to your TBR list. If you have already read it, do let me know in comments how you felt after reading it. For more such reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.